Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to use the SureSwab Rapid. The SureSwab Rapid is a new oral drug screening device designed to test for multiple parameters and enable rapid collection. Let's get started.
The SureSwab Rapid comes in a sealed pouch. Firstly, check to make sure the packaging hasn't been damaged and the product is within its expiry date. If you notice anything is damaged or broken, do not use the test.
Bring the product to room temperature and use within 1 hour. The donor should not place anything in the mouth 10 minutes prior to collection. This includes chewing gum and smoking cigarettes.
Instruct the donor to place their tongue against the roof of the mouth to help generate oral fluid. Take the test cassette out of the sealed pouch and place onto a flat surface. Dispose of the packaging and the small desiccant pouch. Remove the swab from the test cassette. Then remove the cap from the swab. Place the swab between the lower cheek and gum and gently rub from side to side between the left and right cheeks, making sure you do not bite or chew the swab as it may break. If the saturation indicator has not turned red, place the swab back into the mouth and continue to collect additional oral fluid. Once the indicator has turned red, insert the swab into the cassette. Press down the centre of the swab until you hear a click. Keep the cassette on a flat surface. Find the results window and look carefully for the lines in that window. Negative results can be read as soon as clear lines form in both the T and C areas of the test. Non-negative results can be read after 10 minutes.
Do not read results after 20 minutes as they may be inaccurate. For invalid tests, please perform a new one. For any additional help regarding using the product, please contact our team. Thank you for watching.